We are at Taj Bentota in Sri Lanka. We checked in yesterday. This was a lovely little present by my auntie, Judy. Shout out to her. Alright, here's the room tour.
So from our room you can see basically the whole resort. There's the pool over there, the gardens, and then just the beach that stretches for like kilometers. It looks beautiful.
So you can see into the shower from the bed, I guess. And you can see the toilet right there. I found this. Drops that. Hi, Lil.
We just finished yoga. It was the weirdest class. We did something called a lion pose where we had to like scream silently into the air. We've come straight to the breakfast buffet, which is extensive. I have an egg hopper here with some sini sambal and whole sambal.
We just put our swimmers on, we're about to go for a swim. We'll show you the pool area.
Here we are at the lunch buffet. A couple of things that I've picked up. I've got a naan, deviled chicken, deviled egg. I can't remember the name of this.
I think that's an Indian dish.
Right. This is a wild mango curry. And then I picked up just some straight garlic cloves in some sort of pickle. Yeah, that's everything. And some cucumber.
Alright guys, the vadalapang here is super delicious. I already had one and I got Lil to get me another one. I hate eggs, but this is basically an egg custard with like Sri Lankan kittul treacle, which is like our version of palm sugar. Hence why the colour is like quite dark brown. But it's so good. Probably one of my favourite desserts if it's made well without the egg smell. So we were chilling out by the pool and then I got a call from my uncle's mate who works here and he just said, hey, I've organised a boat ride for you, it's at 3 o'clock. So we had to quickly just rush through our lunch and now we're ready to go on our boat tour. So we're about to go on a boat ride just along Bentota River. Oh, this is so exciting.
We're like celebrities.
We're getting treated so well. Alright, thank you. Yeah, he's going to show us some animals.
Oh, cool. This is amazing.
She approves. So I don't know if you guys can see, but in that branch up there, yeah, there's Asian water monitors.
They're huge. They're having a nap.
You definitely don't want them falling on your boat. That's crazy.
Whoa. They're huge.
fishing over there.
Oh my god.
We're going under the bridge. Got to duck our heads.
It's eating a snack.
Monkey up on the tree.
One of them's having a biscuit.
Right there.
I wish I could give it a microphone. A monkey, I guess.
Such a cute monkey. Just grabs the little nuts.
Da, 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 da. Nothing, da. Da.
We spotted a tree frog.
Whoa. Thank you. Nice.
How's that for you, Lil?
Very cool. Saw some nature.
Yeah. Bit long.
A little bit long. Ready to go relax by the pool.
Yeah. We're in the
Pool
pool.
time.
The water's so nice. Thoughts of this pool? Temp.
We keep attempting to get in when it's hot during the day, and then we get distracted by fun activities.
Mostly food.
Yeah. So every time, this is our second time getting in, and it's kind of cold now.
Yeah, because the sun's going down.
We need to get in when it's
It's actually pretty cool. What are you doing tonight?
Well, we're gonna have a buffet dinner.
Yeah, so we're here on full board.
Which is breakfast, lunch, and dinner buffet, and we just.
It's too much food,
It's so
man.
much
It's crazy amount of food for us.
It is so much food. Quality of the food's really good.
Yeah.
It's just so much. Yeah. I really think this is just the most touristy we will ever be.
Yeah.
Just
And it's kind of nice.
being we will attend the yoga in the morning. We will attend the nature walk. It's kind of nice, yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna enjoy the pool a bit more, and then maybe do a workout. We can give you a tour of the gym.
Yeah.
We are just gonna smash out a quick leg workout and then have some dinner after. Workout's done. We are sweating a lot. Time to have a shower and get some dinner.
Your favourite dish.
Yeah, get me a slice.
And it's chicken sausage pizza.
I love Sri Lankan chicken sausages so much. All the dessert.
Diplomat pudding. That looks good.
Salads are here.
So we just tried to check out of our room, and we got to the lobby and handed in our card, and then they said, actually, you can just stay for another 3 hours, just go back to your room. So we got back to the room, and then someone knocked on the door and said, make it 4 hours, stay till 4 o'clock. So we're just gonna spend the afternoon here and just sit by the pool, go to the gym. It's gonna be really nice.
So we came to the gym yesterday, but it was dark, so you couldn't really see the view from the gym. And today, because we got late checkout, we just thought we'd come in here and smash a quick workout. Guys, I was just working out at the gym. I saw the craziest bloody thing. So there's a bunch of squirrels that were just running along these retaining walls. And then all of a sudden, I just saw a huge fight happen. And this big bloody lizard just caught a squirrel. I don't know if you can see it. It's over there. There's a squirrel in its mouth. It's crazy. And all these squirrels are just worried. It's just eating a freaking squirrel. I don't really want to get too close. Oh, it's still alive. Oh my god, it got out. Holy shit. It got out. Whoa. I have no idea where the animals are now. Whoa, that was wild. That was insane. Anyway, I gotta go back to my workout. Alright, so we just finished our workout and now we're gonna go to the beach. So, just gonna go down there. Going to the ocean. Oh,
Ooh,
the
water
water's...
just hit our feet and it's so warm.
Doesn't make you flinch at all. It was so nice.
Let's get in.
Alright, we just swam at the beach. Water's pretty nice. We just thought we'll take you guys for a lap around the grounds. Especially like outside this fence line. It's really nice to like walk under the trees. So we'll just quickly show you guys what that looks like. It's literally just outside the hotel. Just have to go through that exit there. Or the other exit we just went out. It all wraps around. So just walked out the gate. This is the other side that you can access. So this beach is also quite chopped up and rippy. Just gonna walk under the trees now. And then it joins up to the other side of the beach where we just were. Yeah, now we're gonna go for a pool swim.
Honestly, this place is just spectacular.